Hey guys, it's Jacqueline from SolFood Collective, and I wanted to share with you my favorite Thanksgiving foods. So the big debate is, what do vegans do for turkey? And what turkey, tofurkey, is the best? So my absolute favorite is this Gardein holiday roast. They actually started making little mini individual ones all year round, and I freak out. It's the best thing. So it looks like this. It actually looks exactly like that when you make it. It is like, my mouth is watering talking about it right now. This is the best thing on the planet. It has the texture of meat. It is the absolute best. And the one thing I love most about it is it comes with gravy packets. And the gravy is so good. I'm a huge fan of gravy. So I use this for my mashed potatoes and to put over the turkey. This, you can't beat it. It's the best thing on the planet. I've tried all of the other holiday roasts out there, or, tofurkeys. I tried so many different brands. This by far is the absolute best. So that's my recommendation. Trader Joe's has come out with their own. Looks very, very, very similar. It's good. Sorry, Trader Joe's. It's not as good as the Gardein, but it is a good alternative. I would say this is number one. This would be number two for me as far as the vegan turkeys go. And it does come with gravy as well. And what else do? I do mashed potatoes. I use this gravy. I'm going to just do a simple green bean, blanch it, squirt it with a little bit of lemon, pour some olive oil on it. Very healthy green bean. A side of non-GMO organic corn with a little bit of vegan butter. Let me show you the vegan butter I use. I use the Earth Balance here. It's non-GMO, vegan, and it's soy-free. I really like this. So this is the vegan butter that I use. What else is on my Thanksgiving list? Cranberry sauce, homemade stuffing. I got some bread from Roan Mills, rosemary baguette that I'm letting get a little bit stale. Going to use my veggie stock and put it over there with some carrots and celery and bake it off in the oven. Very simple. I am doing a mac and cheese for my friend. She's obsessed with my mac and cheese. So I'm going to do my vegan cheese, and we're going to have some mac and cheese. And then I'm going to make a pumpkin pie cheesecake with a ginger snap crust. I'm going to try to get a video in and get that posted. We'll see if that happens. But I did want to show you, to top off your pumpkin pie, there's this amazing coconut whipped topping with real coconut cream. It's so good. It's good just to have all year round to put on anything. It's just amazing whipped cream. And then I love this version of Cocoa Whip as well by So Delicious, because it's actually very reminiscent of ice cream. So you just keep it in the freezer. I already dug into this. Sorry, it's not pretty. And you can kind of eat it like ice cream. So it's really good to use as a topper for your pies as well, especially like a hot apple pie or a pecan pie would be great. Although I recommend this. I absolutely love this. The Van Leeuwen, can you see? The Van Leeuwen salted caramel. This is by far my most favorite thing on the planet. This on top of a pumpkin pie or a pecan pie would be amazing. That's a really good idea. I'm going to have to go buy another one of this. So good. Love these guys. I found this at Whole Foods. We are lucky enough here in California that they actually have a store we can go into and buy all different flavors of ice cream. So there you have it. These are my favorite things for Thanksgiving. Get the Gardein holiday roast for all my vegan friends or newly vegan friends. It's absolutely delicious. You won't regret it. So everyone have an awesome Thanksgiving, and I will see you soon. Bye. Say Happy Thanksgiving to everyone. Happy Thanksgiving. Yay. Happy Thanksgiving, Hank. Bye. You're the best, Hank.